In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger Vps subscription. Whether you're moving to a different provider or just no longer need the service, I'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can easily end your subscription without any hassle. First, let's start by heading over to the Hostinger website. You'll need to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your credentials on the home page. Once you're logged in, you'll see your hosting dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the services and subscriptions associated with your account. Next, navigate to the VPS tab in the top menu. This section holds all the details concerning your VPS plans. Click on it, and you'll be able to see a list of your active VPS hosting packages. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Make sure to double-check that you're selecting the correct plan to avoid canceling the wrong service by mistake. Once you've selected the appropriate VPS plan, look for the Manage button next to it. Clicking Manage will take you to a new page where more detailed options about your selected VPS plan will be available. On this management page, locate the Cancel Plan option. It might usually be found within the account settings or under a billing tab. The wording and location can vary slightly depending on account updates or special features, but it's generally straightforward. After clicking on Cancel Plan, a prompt will likely appear asking for confirmation that you truly wish to cancel your VPS subscription. This step is crucial as it ensures that you don't accidentally cancel a service you intended to keep. Double-check everything, and once you're certain, confirm your cancellation. Now, you might be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Sometimes companies collect this feedback to improve their services. You can choose to fill this out if you want to give some input or simply skip it if you're not interested in elaborating on your decision. The final piece of the puzzle involves checking for any confirmation email or notification from Hostinger to verify that your cancellation has been successful. It's always a good idea to retain this confirmation for your records in case you need to refer back to it later on. If you don't receive an email, check your spam folder or consider reaching out to Hostinger's support team for added assurance. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger Vps subscription. Remember that if you ever change your mind, you can always sign up again by following Hostinger's simple registration process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips.